Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids@147, and I've got some items to share with you today from Everydayecrafts. So thank you to them again for sending me these items. But we've got three different things. One of them I will sort of start with as usual because you can sort of see it already. But what we have here is actually a pack of 2 bookmarks. So they're very similar, but they are slightly different patterns. I really enjoy doing sort of off the canvas, as I call them, products for a little bit of fun and variety. And you do get 2 tassels to put on your bookmarks once they're done. We do get a toolkit, standard pen, boat wax, and we do get some baggies. And then of course we get some diamonds. And this shows you truly sort of how some of the colours can come out. But, oh, some of those are pretty. So we've got some sort of pearl ones in white. And when I say they're like half a pearl, it's because they have no facets. This one has facets. This is sort of a blue with an AB type coating. Then we have some sort of pearly blue with an AB coating, and then we have some purple. Does look like there's a little bit of static going on, but that's fine. Once they're stuck on the bookmark, they don't give you any more hassle. And then we do have some big circles, and it looks as though we have one of those per bookmark, so we have a spare. And then we have some lovely little raindrop ones, teardrop in a blue. So a mixture of sort of purple and blue with a little hint of silver. Very nice. So I'll put those all back into the same bag. It just keeps everything contained. I know one of my daughter's friends really enjoys doing bookmarks, so I might let her do these, as I do have a couple in my off the canvas items that I've not got round to yet, but we'll see. I might swap it out. So we've got that one, and then where's some scissors? I have stuff about and then I put it away and it's like, where did it go? At least it went away. So what do we have first off here? We have, oh, there we go. So this is a 40 by 50. I really liked this sign, and with it being a 40 by 50, it is very clear to see. Let me just see if I have any zoom. There we go, I do. So we can get the whole image in. In fact, I don't even know if we've got the whole image in yet, because it does have a little border. So it's be the awesome you wish to see in the world. I thought that was really fun. It's got some nice patterns in some of the words. It's just got, you know, colour shading in other ones. And then of course we have the world symbol along with some nice colour down the side as well. We do get a standard toolkit in this. Boat pen wax. Throw it to the side. And then diamonds. We do have a bit of 310. Oh, actually, let me have a look at the sizing. So we've got 24 colours. It does have 310 in it, as you'd expect, this background part. The actual size of the drill area is 35 by just short of 45, and that could just be the way it's folded up a little bit until it flattens. Oh, there's at least 4 bags of 310. There's quite a bit of 310 in this, but then we do have some gorgeous colours as well. Here comes the 310. It is only 4 bags. I say only, still a lot, isn't it? We've got grey, purple. Oh, look at those purples. Look at the bright colours now. This is where it gets more exciting. We've got some really nice, bright, good shaded colours. Nice bit of red. And then we have even some more colours here with some white as well. I'll fight with getting those back in the packet later. get them to all sit out the way. But as much as that's got black, if you're doing that in sections, while you are going to have a bit of black, you're not going to have loads. And it does look as though there's like dots of colour. You see, like it's lit up. So you've got quite a nice variety of colour, as well as having some white around the outside. So on a sort of section that you might decide to diamond paint, you could decide to do the white and the black and then fill in all the little gaps. I think that's still going to be rather fun to do. Okay, so that's that one. And then let's have a look in the big monster one. Oh, is this actually, so this is actually 2 jiffy bags stuck together by the looks of it. It's exploded out of one and fits into another. Let's see if that, there we go, that will allow us to get in it. And then it's taped down here. Oh, this one's packaged different. And this one is a square. Now this one is packaged very much like one I've had previously, very, very similar to a Huracan. It doesn't have Huracan written on it, but it does have their Posher toolkit. So we do have some tweezers in there. We do have a placer with a grip. We have a 12 placer in there as well. Or maybe it's a 9, but it definitely looks like a 12. It's a very big multi-placer. And we have some wax. So that's one of the Posher toolkits that you can get. All the bags are also weighed very similar to the Huracan. It has 35 colours and this is a 40 by 40. Let's see if I can get in it. So there is a few different manufacturers that make the paintings from these sites. This is what I normally do with a Huracan. If I can get my scissors in there. It's just get the tape to cut across there. I'm doing a very bad job. Maybe I should have got my craft knife out. There we go. Just get it to cut a little bit and then you can peel it off by starting on the waxy coating that's very easy, and then it pulls off the canvas. But that's the image. Say it is in a square and it is on a canvas that is double-sided tape. Back of the canvas is gorgeous. We've got no puckers or anything, so there's no problems with the canvas itself. Let's peel this back. Yeah, it looks very, very similar to a Huracan. Just peel this back so that you can see the image, because that's the only thing with these opaque covers. Of course, you can't see the canvas the same way you can with the poured glue. But look at that. That is beautiful. 35 colours, so we've got a really nice amount of colours in there. We have no black, but we do have 939, and that'll be where the darkness comes. In these darker bits are 939 rather than being 310. If you peel back this other side, that will just help the canvas to lie completely flat. Just show you the detail in this bottom corner. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's have a quick look at some of the colours. I'm just going to lay them out on the top because they are all in baggies rather than being all on one strip. So it is going to be a little bit harder to show them individually. It could take quite an eternity. That's the 939. So it is quite a big bag of 939. But we've got some gorgeous greens in here, blues, some of the darker colours as well, but some of the blues, greens, purples, little bit of yellow. Very nice. That is going to pop. Right, let's get those back in there. I will pop links to all of these down below, but this one is a square. If you like square paintings, it's always, that looks like a beautiful one to try. Symbols are very clear. We've got white symbols on black as well as black on white. Quite confetti-ish, but not too much in places. You have got some block, excuse me, you have got some block stuff to do as well. So we've got the feather. We've got the Be the Awesome You Wish to See in the World. And we have some bookmarks for that quick little project, because these two, I reckon, will take a little bit longer. So thank you so much to Everydayecrafts for sending me these items to show you. We'll pop links, as I say, to everything down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.